Hello, it's me, Gardening Gabbie, here at the Layton Township Library in front of the new seed library. This is officially launched. It is open. Given, just like a garden, it is a work in progress. We are still adding new varieties almost daily. However, we want to be able to let people pick and grab some seeds yet for this season. So we are launched. Let me show you how this works. So you might be thinking to yourself, do I just come in and grab whatever I want? Sort of. One, we are asking that you limit the seed packets to 5 packets per person. This way we can share the wealth with the rest of our community, and the purpose of the seed library is more to try new things and to have a small sampling of different produce and crops and plants. This is not meant to create an entire garden worth of stuff, but to try new things and experiment without having an entire packet dedicated to maybe a couple seeds to try something new. So you might be wondering now, how do I know what I want to plant? First, we have these cool books. Now, right now, we only have the veggie book out. We are working on fruits and herbs and flowers, but the veggie book is still pretty substantial. In this book, each one of these pages is a different crop. It's a different variety. We have so many different varieties and different crop options. But on each one of these pages, there's what the overall plant is, the variety of it, a brief description of said variety, a general information for each crop, the sowing instructions, harvesting instructions, and on the back, seed saving instructions. Now, some of these are a lot harder to save the seeds than others, but we want to give you the information anyways. So we ask that when you find the crops you want, you take a picture of these pages. That way you can keep that information with you. Once you have picked out what veggies you want, you can come on over here to the packets, take out what ones you want. Again, asking that you limit to 5. But once you pick them out, you come and take one of these papers. Now these papers, it just has your name, date, and what packets you took. So if it's the True Lemon Cucumber, just write Cucumber True Lemon. This way, I know what seeds we need to either A, restock if I have back stock of, or B, purchase more of next season if it's a very popular item and I don't have any in back stock. But once you have that filled out, you'll then put it in this black box for me to take note of and to take the statistics and inventory of our seeds. So that is basically it. You come in, you look at what seeds you want, you grab the seeds, you let us know what seeds you took. It is a very cool project. But we are excited to share these fruits and vegetables and herbs and flowers with you, and we are excited to have you be able to try something new and experiment and maybe find something you had no idea existed. Come on down, come check out some seeds. We are excited to share them with you. Funding is provided in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library of Michigan.